Hi, Monarch students, this is Ms. Kurganin, and I wanted to explain the directions of how to make your UN physical map activity that's going on this week in class. This is your first big project that has to do with your UN country, and you're going to focus on making a map of the physical features of your country. And physical features are like the landforms, the rivers, the coastlines, the oceans. And so notice in some of these examples that I have for you that there's no cities. Although to understand that your country is not an island, it'll be helpful for you to lightly draw in the surrounding countries around it. Now, we don't expect you to be amazing artists. That this student example that I'm showing you actually kind of cheated off the internet, which is totally fine, where you find an outline map and attached to this assignment, you'll see where we have some printouts of outline maps, and you can print that and then use that to draw in the features. Or you could find a map online and kind of hold a white piece of printer paper over the computer screen and kind of freehand the outline of your country. Once you have the outline of your country, then it's time to start loading in some of the landforms. And your directions say that you need to have at least 5 landforms and 5 bodies of water labeled on your map. And you're going to color the country with colors that represent the elevation. So brown in this person's map was the lowlands, and then the mountains start to go kind of in a green, darker green color. Most of the colors that you're going to use are going to be earth colors, but you're the map maker, so you can decide how you want to shade the map. There are some map essentials that you need, and these were in your notes, but every map needs to have a title. So this is a Democratic Republic of the Congo physical map, because that shows the purpose of what we're looking at. You need to have a compass rose that shows the direction north. Now, you don't need to have as fancy of a compass rose as this, but that's actually really super cool. You need to have a key or legend, which explains what the symbols are. And you need to have a scale. Some of you may find a printout of an outline map that already has a scale and a compass rose included, which is fine. If you have a country like this one that has literally like 2,000 rivers, you're going to panic. So you probably want to just focus on the main rivers. In your map creation, you need to let us know where is the highest point. And so you'll need to identify, here they identified in their key, where the highest point is in your country. And for some of you, if you don't have a very mountainous country, it might be just a high plateau or a high hill. So this is the highest point right here. Other things that you need on your map, you're going to need to show the bodies of water, rivers, and surrounding oceans. Notice how this student just free-handed out the surrounding countries so we get a sense of where is it positioned on the planet. And oh my gosh, is that a cool compass rose. And in your map, you are going to try and make this as detailed as possible and make it look like a map that you would find online. So where are you going to be able to make this assignment? We have found a lot of success with this worldatlas.com website. If you find your country, and maybe my country is, I'm going to cruise down here, Australia. This is going to provide for me some information, although that's not great. I would go into the geography to see if I can get a little bit of, there's a lot of political information on this map, but oh, there's a lake. I can find that lake. There's Uluru, that's Ayers Rock, so I could put that. I could put a lot of these gulfs and put that Great Barrier Reef right there, do that gulf, but no cities. If you put a city on this, then it totally changes the purpose of this map and it becomes a political map. So we are going to get lots of class time to be working on this week. And I think that is everything you need to know. Here's where you're going to find your outline maps. Here is where we loaded a couple examples. Here are some atlases to help you with your copying. And this is how we're going to be graded. This is the essentials that we're looking for. So good luck, students. See you soon.